today. Time now for This Week in Auto History, and Mr. Mars has that.
Okay. All right, This Week in Auto History, May the 26th, 1927, the 15th...
Wait a minute, this is June 1st.
I'm sorry. But this week. It leads up to this week, just June the 1st, so the last week of May.
Okay, well, I knew that you had an excuse, so go for it.
I always have an excuse. You want a different one?
No, you're well healed because you've been married to Becky for a while, and you come up with all these excuses.
Is this the 15 millionth? Well, this is the 15th million Ford in 1927, known as Tin Lizzie. And actually, this was the last of the Model T that they built, and then they started building the next one, the Model A, I believe it was. Now you made me lose my place. Anyway, that's it. Now, May the 27th, 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge opens. They started building this in 1933. It's 1.7 miles long, and I did not realize that more than 200,000 people walked or skated across that bridge that same day that it opened. Now, 112,000 vehicles cross that bridge every day.
I'd believe that. You ever been on it?
I've been on it. I never walked it.
Oh, no, I won't.
No.
I was a kid.
I was really surprised on it. May the 29th in 2018, Kyle Busch becomes the first to win on every active NASCAR track. He has literally won on every track.
Really?
I did not know that.
I didn't know that either. May
the 30th, 1967, the Mazda Cosmo was introduced. Now, you may not know much about this, but it was not a bad looking car.
God, Mars!
But it was the first twin rotor Wankel engine.
And
that's why, it's
a wanker.
So they quit producing it in 1996, but that's what led to the RX-7 and the RX-8.
No, it did not. No.
It's got rust on the rockers. Dude, look at that.
Well, it's an old car.
Yeah. I'd drive it. You know what I'd do? I'd tub it out.
It's ugly.
Yeah, that's what you need to do. Tub it out.
That's ugly.
So that's This Week in History.
That's too short.
Ending on an ugly note. Well, it's because it got 4 things there.
Come on, Lee. That's all. That's the best you can do.
Well, I'm not big on so and so was born this day or so and so died this day if it didn't really do anything as far as making cars.
Yeah.
Okay.